Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create this hard surface screw with Blender and JMesh tools in 1 minute. So let's first delete it and recreate it. Shift and A and add a cylinder with these values. Great, now to edit mode, face selection, select this face, press E to extrude and S and scale it down. Okay, now assign a metallic material, this one with the metallic principled shader, then add a bevel and decrease the size of the bevel to make the edges look more crisp. Shift and A to add a plane, go to edit mode, press G followed by Z to move it upwards, then S to scale it down. Nice, now subdivide a few times, right click, choose subdivide, perhaps one more time. Double tap A to deselect all, go to face selection again, press B to box select and select these faces. By the way, this is real time, I'm not speeding up the video. Okay, press Ctrl and the I key to invert the selection and delete these faces, then A to select all, X, limited dissolve and press E to extrude to this shape. Great, we have our cutter. Tap into object mode and define this as your target and move the other one, the cutter, into the mesh and press difference. And here we go, but what can you do with this? For example, append it to an existing project file and snap it onto your mesh. First the cursor to this face, then select the appended object, press Shift and S and bring the selection to the cursor. Okay, looks nice. Go to edit mode, scale it down a bit, then rotate it, and then you can add a mirror modifier to bring it to the other side as well. Oh, and before I forget this model we are going to create together on Monday, so be there. Okay guys, I hope you like this very short tutorial. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, and if you have any questions then just add these to the comments below. Thanks for watching guys, and I see you on Jayanam.